Hey everyone, and welcome back to another brand new video. And I just never stops evolving. A brand new AI model for video editing just got released. And it's insane. This can do marvelous edits of any video. And the best part is that it's completely open source and free. So you can run it on your own devices offline. You can see, here we have a video of a woman doing some dance. We gave the prompt, evoke the atmosphere of a dark, mystical sorceress with glowing green eyes, adorned in ornate black and gold armor, and wielding ethereal green energy, using a photorealistic fantasy art style. And this is what it gave us. This is beautiful. We have another video of a woman with a cake here. The prompt was, transform the scene into a whimsical pastry dream world, where the cake is a floating island, the frosting is a river of cream, and the chocolate drizzle is a glowing path. And this is what it generated. It completely edited the video marvelously. This new AI video editing model can transform the entire video with comprehensive changes that affect every frame. It applies consistent modifications across the complete sequence, enabling dramatic style transfers, color grading, and atmospheric adjustments that maintain visual coherence throughout the entire video. Not only that, you can even edit only some specific things in the videos too. Here we have another example of a woman wearing a yellow dress. We gave the prompt, replace the yellow tank top with a pale mint green one with a ruffled neckline. And this is the result. It applied the changes accurately without changing anything else. It can focus on specific regions or objects within the video, applying precise modifications to targeted areas while preserving the surrounding content. You can see we have two persons here, and the prompt was, add a glowing vintage street lamp, casting a warm yellow hue on the pavement near the couple. And this is the result. This is pretty crazy. This project represents a huge step forward for instruction-based video editing. This project is called Ditto, and the AI model it powers is called DITTO. We've all seen AI image generators, but video has been a much tougher nut to crack. The biggest hurdle is that there is a massive scarcity of high-quality training data. To teach an AI to edit video based on instructions, you need millions of before and after examples with clear instructions. And that kind of dataset just didn't exist until now. The team behind Ditto solved this by creating a massive, high-quality synthetic dataset of over 1 million video clips called Ditto 1M. This dataset is the fuel that lets their Editto model perform some incredible feats. This massive new dataset called Ditto 1M is basically the heart of this project. Researchers invested over 12,000 GPU days to create a collection of 1 million high-fidelity video editing examples. This isn't just a random collection of clips. It's a meticulously crafted dataset designed to teach an AI the nuances of video editing. So, the question is, how did they do it? How did they create this dataset? Well, this is where the Ditto framework comes in. It's a clever pipeline that fuses the creative power of a leading image editor with an in-context video generator. First, an intelligent AI agent crafts diverse and creative editing instructions. Think of it as an AI director coming up with ideas. Second, they used a powerful image editor to apply the instruction to a single frame of a video. This edited frame then acts as a guide for the video generator. Third, the system also used a depth video to understand the structure and motion of the original clip, ensuring that the edits are applied consistently across all the frames. And finally, the AI agent also acted as a filter, rigorously checking the output and discarding any low-quality or failed edits. This process allowed them to create a massive and diverse dataset of instruction video pairs, something the AI community has desperately needed. After this, they then finally created their model, Editto, which is an instruction-based video editing model trained on the same Ditto 1M dataset, demonstrating superior performance across diverse editing scenarios and outperforming existing methods. And the results are stunning. This new Editto model can perform two main types of edits. First, we have global edits. These are transformations that affect the entire video, changing its overall style. We're talking about things like style transfers. For example, make it the style of Archer, or turn it into the origami style. You can also use it to create artistic effects, such as make it a pencil sketch style. And you can even do character and scene transformations too. These were all the examples of global edits. The second type of edits that this Editto model can do is local edits. This is where things get really interesting. Local edits allow for precise modifications to specific regions or objects within the video, while leaving the rest of the scene untouched. For example, it can add objects in the videos pretty nicely. It can modify characters in the video, and it can do subtle environmental changes, like adding some light to someone's face, which is pretty insane. One of the most innovative aspects of this project is how they trained the Editto model. They used a technique called modality curriculum learning. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. At first you have training wheels to help you. In this case, the training wheels were the edited reference images. The model was initially shown both the text instruction and the edited image to guide its video transformation. But gradually the training wheels were taken away. The model was weaned off the visual scaffold of the edited image and learned to rely solely on the text-based instructions. This clever training strategy is what allows Editto to be so proficient at purely language-driven video editing. The best part about all of this? It's not just a research paper. The creators have made the models available, and the community has already started using it. Yup, it's completely free and open source, so you can download the model from Hugging Face and start using it right now. You will find the instructions to use this model on their GitHub. You can either use it with Diff Synth, or you can use it with Comfy UI. They have given very detailed instructions about both the process, so you can check it out if you have the resources and system to run this model. Overall, Ditto is amazing. It demonstrates superior instruction following ability and establish a new state-of-the-art in instruction-based video editing. The open source community is pretty happy about it. I enjoyed it a lot. AI video editing models are evolving so quickly nowadays. What do you think about this new AI model? What are some of the creative ways you could see yourself using Ditto? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI tools and technologies, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.